If you are waiting to speak English until you become perfect, stop it right now. You know, because because fluency is something which fluency is not given by books. It doesn't matter how much theoretical knowledge you do have. It's not gonna help you to speak fluently. Like it's built by brave people, like by those who speak even if when they are not ready, even if when they are making mistakes. That's right. If you feel shy, nervous, then today's video is for you. Like I know how it feels when you want to speak in English, but you think, what if I make mistake? What if people gonna think if I make mistakes while I'm speaking? My English is not good enough. How can I speak? Even I also felt the same. So I also waited. I told myself, let me learn some grammar first. Let me learn some vocabulary first. And then after I will speak. That's what I did with myself. And and days passed, month passed, like a lot of week passed. And I found that I improved in some ways. Like I have grammar knowledge. I can, I knew few fancy vocabulary. But I found even if I have knowledge about different vocabulary, different grammars, but I can't speak still. Still, I am getting the same problem. I'm not able to speak properly. I'm not able to speak fluently. I got stuck a lot. And I got depressed. Even if I have knowledge about grammar a little bit, even if I did know few grammar, few vocabulary, but I can't speak still. And one day, I realized one thing which is kind of opened my eyes, and that is I was realizing that I was learning about how to speak English fluently, confidently, but the reality is I was learning English, but I was not using English. That's the key difference. Even though I was learning about grammar, vocabulary, and so many things, how to become fluent speaker, how to produce different kind of sounds, accents, all these things, but literally I was not using English. And that day when I got that actual scenario that this is exactly what I was doing and I need to change that. And that day I promised myself that I will speak even if I make mistake. I will learn by speaking. I will never gonna stop myself for speaking. And then I always try to push myself. Since that day, every day I'm pushing myself for speaking as much as possible. And now, to be very honest, and if I'm saying it, then I really mean it, that decision changed my life, changed everything. And just let me know, just tell me, this is a question for you guys. Just do you remember when you started learning your mother tongue, did you learn your mother tongue by learning different grammar books or vocabulary books? No, you didn't. Then how you started speaking your mother tongue? And when you're gonna look back, you will find that yes, you started speaking by listening and then speaking wrongly at the beginning, right? When we started speaking our mother tongue, we were not perfect. All of us, we were making mistakes at the time. Even I was also making mistakes while I was started learning my mother tongue. That's very obvious. It's a very common thing for every language. When we will learn any new language as a beginner, we will make mistakes, and that's very okay. And the same way, for English the picture is very similar. Here we have to follow the same kind of learning process, right? So we need to listen, we need to speak, listen and speak, listen and speak. This is the basic fundamentals for learning any language, right? We have to listen as much as possible, and then we need to speak. And one thing which is very important, fluency, it will not come by thinking about speaking, Many of us, we really do that. We always thinking about to speak, but we are not even started speaking. We are not trying. We are just thinking about to speak. But literally, fluency, it will not come by thinking about speaking. It will come The moment you start, speaking it, speaking again and again, and then after, like gradually, slowly, day by day, you will start getting your fluency. And like even all the native speakers, when they do speak, they are also making mistakes. Yes, they are also making mistakes. That's true. And they don't care about it. Then why should you? Just take it casually. Just take it normally. It's making mistake. It's not a crime. It's a part of learning. Maybe there will be some people, they will judge you. That's true. And maybe you are right. Like, they will judge. So what? Let them judge. It's their job. Like, it's not your job to think what they will think. Let them. It's their job. Let them do. Do not care about those people's, right? It doesn't matter how much good people are doing in their life. There are always some people they will criticize, they will laugh. And to be very honest, those people who are laughing at you right now, at the beginning, as a beginner, when they are looking you that you are making mistake, they will laugh definitely. But these people will do clap at the end of the day. When they're gonna find out that you are improving, they will clap for you. Yes, that is happening. True. I'm not lying. Maybe you already got this kind of experience in your life. Now, speak with me, repeat after me, loudly and confidently. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I'm not scared anymore. I make mistake, but I don't care. I will speak with confidence. And try to speak some daily, usable phrases like, hi, hello, how are you? And I am practicing English today. Sometimes I make mistakes, but no problem. Just start speaking these daily, usable English phrases. Some English phrases which you can use in your daily life. That's right. Good morning, good night, how are you? Where have you been? How was your day? All these kind of things you can start speaking with. You can start with. These are the basic common phrases. You can try them. You don't need perfect English when you are a beginner. The only thing that you need, that is brave English, You make yourself a brave person who is not, having fear of making mistakes, right? Do make mistakes as much as possible. You need that kind of bravery in your mind when you are starting your English speaking journey. And making mistakes definitely not gonna stop you, but silence does. If you're making mistakes while you are practicing, definitely it will help you to improve more and more. It will create an opportunity for you to correct yourself. So definitely making mistakes is a part of learning. But by having this fear of making mistakes, if you're keeping silence, that's not gonna help you, to be honest. If you're silent, then it's not gonna help you to improve yourself. Now, promise yourself that your English speaking journey, it starts from today itself, not tomorrow, not someday, from today. And stick to it. Promise yourself that I will start speaking from today itself. And please write in the comment section if you really going to start speaking from today itself. Write in the comment section, I will speak from today onwards. So don't stop yourself for speaking. Just feel free to make mistakes. Just be relaxed. Keep speaking. Push yourself for speaking. Do make mistakes as much as possible. If you're making mistakes today, then definitely tomorrow, automatically, all those mistakes gonna be removed from your speaking. By the time, gradually, slowly. Guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Please subscribe this YouTube channel and share this video with your friends, so that all the people who needs these kind of motivations, so they can, this video can reach those people and they can get motivated with, right? So today's video, this is enough. I think I don't need to motivate you more, because I hope that you already got motivations to start your English speaking journey. So that's all for today's video, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe this YouTube channel, Easy English with Rafi. let's learn together and grow together, right? And make sure that your English speaking journey starts from today onwards. So see you in the next video. Till that time, be happy, stay healthy. Jai Hind.